Hey guys, how's it going? Zima here, and today I wanted to show you Credefi Finance, their innovative lending for real-world impact, what they do, what you can get in here, how the platform looks like, and a couple other things. Also, I'm giving away $200 to a random person that likes the video or comments something down below, so make sure to enter. It's free to join, and I will pick a winner fairly soon, and will announce that in an upcoming video. When it comes to anything that is based on RWA as a narrative in crypto, also known as real-world assets, they're the ones that connect traditional finance with crypto, you could say, because you can invest in EU S&E loans backed by real-world assets collateral. It is a platform in which you can lock up your coins, let's say USDC or USDT for example, for a certain amount of time, and you get up to 12% a year in APY on that. And if you ever wanted to use the crypto to invest into things outside of crypto, so instead of just buying Bitcoin or just buying altcoins or layer ones, you can now get a pretty high percentage on stable coins, while that money is being used by businesses that take a loan here and have something in real life. The mission is to bridge the gap in that financing in the European Union, facilitate real-world impact by providing fair and accessible lending solutions to small and medium-sized enterprises in the region. So with Credefi, you can access reliable loans backed by a range of real-world assets, including real estate, future receivables, and more. The lending platform offers lenders stable and predictable returns generated from the real economy. I just read you this entire text over here. You can invest into things in real life instead of just edging into that money. The CEO behind it is also Docs. You can see who is working on this. They bridge EU step financing gap, offer accessible lending solutions for small money enterprises, and leverage blockchain technology to achieve secure and stable returns. On the platform, when you log in, there is only one feature available so far, or one main feature, and that is lending your USDC. So far, the autonomous earning option over here is active and available. Corporate bonds are coming, expected to be in 2024, the same as peer-to-peer lending over here. But so far, autonomous earnings is what we can click on. If you select invest, you will see that you have to pass KYC. That will take a couple minutes in order to go through. And then you can use USDT, USDC in order to deposit some money on here and get your 12% APY, which means the money that you make is compounding. As far as I know, every 90 days, so 4 times a year, every 3 months, your interest or your earnings are paid out. So if you deposit $1,000 and you get your first $30 in 90 days, that will then be in here still, and you then get your 12% on the new amount of money. But because it's paid out every 3 months, every 90 days, you could rephrase this as a 3% APY in the 3-month period. There are also different tiers of staking available, where you can use Credefi and select 100, 1,000 or 10,000 of the tokens to unlock different tiers. And right now, we sit around 2 cents per token, so even 10,000 tokens are just $200. So if you would like to stake for the highest tier, that is also doable without investing too much. We can see tier 1 is the entry-level tier, and tier 3 is the highest tier. That includes all benefits of the previous tiers, instant return on investment, and an extra interest of 2%. They also have lots of updates and giveaways every couple days or so on their Twitter. I feel like there's a giveaway every single week, so definitely make sure to check them out as well. The link to everything is down below. And guys, as I mentioned in the beginning, I run a $200 giveaway myself. All you gotta do is like the video and comment something down below, and I will pick a random winner in about a month or so from now. As right now, they have an ongoing influencer campaign over here with a couple different prizes, and I try to win one of them, either to the most views or likes or comments. So if you can help me out, I can give back some of that to you guys. We might even make it a $500 giveaway total, but let's try to get as many likes as possible. Overall, it's pretty cool that they do something like that and give us as creators the opportunity to win some. And if you guys want to check out the platform, get a high percentage yield on your stable coins. So no matter what the crypto market does, you aren't fully bound to it. You can simply use some USDT or USDC and have some money that is invested in things in real life. Let's hope for the best. Don't forget to like the video, and I see you guys fairly soon. Bye, guys.